Well, today's recipe, Goan curry. Well, not just any curry, but using a protein that we're actually going to make in-house. It's a combination of paneer and soya. Let's call it maybe soyaneer. Let's begin Soyaneer Goan curry. What I'm going to do is divide this recipe into 3 components. The first one, of course, soyaneer, making that at home. Second one is making the curry paste. And the third one is tempering all of this and actually making the soyaneer Goan curry. First things first, milk in a kadhai. Let's allow the milk to come to a boil. And once that happens, I'm going to add in soya granules, which have been soaked in hot water for half an hour. Stir this well. To flavor, I'm going to add in salt. And along with this, chili powder. Once this is done, you see that the milk is wonderfully flavored and colored. I'm going to add in lemon juice. This will ensure that the milk splits in a couple of seconds. One quick little stir, and that should be good. Let's transfer this onto a strainer lined with muslin cloth. Let's add in some plain water. Now this will help this cool down completely and also drain off the excess lemon juice. You bring all of this together like so. Let's press this like so to ensure all the excess water comes out. And then you keep this to rest. If you wish, you can also keep some weight on top of this. Let's move on to the next component, and that is making the chutney or making the paste for the curry. Let's begin with fresh coconut. Move on to adding in dried red chilies for color, Kashmiri, and for spice, bedgi. Let's move on to sliced onions. Next, roughly cut tomatoes, couple of cloves of garlic, and lastly, coriander seeds untoasted. Let's cover this and grind this into a paste. Let's begin with vegetable oil in a wok or a kadhai or a pan. Choice is completely yours. And once that heats up, I'm going to add in black mustard seeds. Let's add in roughly cut red onions, couple of petals of kokum, whole green chilies, and once the onions begin to saute, before they change color, I'm going to add in the spice paste. Let's immediately top this up with a cup full of water, depending on the consistency that you're looking at, and along with this, salt. Let's give this a quick stir. Allow this to boil on medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes for the rawness of the chilies and things like that to just normalize. This curry has boiled perfectly well. Time to now introduce the soyaneer in the curry. Well, what I wish to do is, instead of dropping it in the curry, I wish to plate it in the plate itself, in the platter itself, in the bowl itself, so that it also kind of looks nice. With this, our soyaneer Goan curry is done and ready. Make this for your family, make this for your friends. What to eat this with? Maybe a bowl of steamed rice, maybe some neer dosas actually. Why not? Maybe uttapams, or maybe just like that. Choice is well, completely yours. Make this, try this, and let me know how you like this. And if you like this whole idea of soyaneer, give me a thumbs up in the comment section, and I promise I'll show you some more recipes using soyaneer. Bye for now.